to this episode of Maya Marcel. Hey! Baking a cake.
2 cakes.
Yes, chocolate and vanilla.
Hamilton shirt.
Yes, and stuff that got on my shirt that you will see in this video. So check it out.
Look at my butt.
It looks so sad. So keep on watching. Bye.
I'm just basically like that. I was about to reach into it.
Oh.
The eggs are over here. So you crack like this. As soon as I hit it. Just stop. Just stay there.
Goodness.
Okay, and you crack it into here.
Ooh.
Put that
That's
like
a nice egg.
elsewhere.
Now I want fried eggs.
And now you just like shake it about like
Looks futuristic.
snot.
Ew! That. Oh my gosh, that's not a beautiful image.
You're saying it's not beautiful?
I'm not.
It's offended.
When you think it's not
Well, snot can be beautiful.
artistic.
No, it cannot. Artsy. Okay, get out. I'm really serious right now.
Okay,
Okay, get out.
never mind. Oh. Whale.
It worked.
Whale.
Fantastic.
Whale.
Whale.
I said whale.
Okay.
So.
Perfect. Okay, it broke just as it entered. But that was really bad because this is uneven. I'm gonna go throw this away.
Success.
Like this.
Whoa.
So it comes out like that.
Did you hear that?
That is not edited. That is not edited.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and then like that. And then you go back and forth to like get all the weird snot thing out.
Ew.
I saw this thing online where like it filters out this thing like through someone's nose.
Ew.
It was a fake person's nose.
Oh my
It
gosh.
was a fake person's nose. But like cute.
We live.
Alright, and then we're gonna put that in here.
Nice.
Cute! Ooh, and there's one more thing. I will let you crack an egg. I promise.
Okay.
I will. But there is one more thing. Instead of using your fingers, it's the same.
Hi. We finished. This is our friend Amanda.
Y'all saw her in the theater video.
Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Alright, so first.
So we're almost there. We got that red. We got that white. I made some black. She put on the icing. We are almost there. We have our plan, but we're not going to show you because it is a surprise. We are watching Glamour and Gore because...
Glamour and gore. It's just glam and gore.
Glam and Gore.
It's a glamour.
Oh, sorry. Same thing. And...
We're watching her boyfriend reveal even though we both already know who it is just because it's so damn cute.
Yes! So, keep on watching. Why are you? Get up! And that's how you start off 2020.
I love this song.
That's our cake. Show them our cake.
Oh,
Show them the cake.
montage time.
Ah!
It's montage time.
I got tea.
Montage time.
Montage time.
How's it gonna make any difference?
Wait, pose.
The delirium has set in.
Pose for a second. You just did.
I stopped to take a break and I stopped at this point. Hold on, let me just make this better.
She meant to say ambassador. Putting our initials on it to mark the masterpiece.
And then, plus, it's shaking. It's like, it's quaking. Oh, I have an idea.
Wait, move it back to the
Hold on, I'm gonna do some lines.
dream. Dare to dream. Oh yes. Promo. I got a dream. We're get your reaction.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Gosh, I love it. Youth ambassadors, nice. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, can I have some cake?
We have some fun, dear.
Where's it?
Hi, babes.
I want to get it, like a little piece of that. Ooh.
Sorry, I didn't realize what you wanted. We've been filming for almost
Okay.
a minute.
So this is gonna be the outro.